Yeah.
People get paid a salary of $15 an hour. Normally what happens is if you work more than 40 hours, you'll get paid time and a half. So in other words, for the first 40 hours, you get paid $15 an hour.
Yeah.
And anything over 40, it's 15 times 1.5, whatever that is. So what I want you to do is create a method that takes the number of hours. So you're going to have one item in your argument list. It's just going to be the number of hours. Obviously, since we're talking about something that's going to be a floating point, when it's returned, so your method return is going to be float. Call your method name salary. Argument list is going to have one item in it, which is the total hours. So I want you to create the function to calculate the total salary. So if it's 40, then just do the calculation. But inside the calculation, you're going to have to figure out if they have overtime or not.
All right.
So you're going to have to create a calculation variable.
Yeah.
Called base hours and another one called overtime hours.
All right.
And then you calculate your base hours, calculate your overtime hours.
Yes.
And then the math is easy.
Yeah.
15 times base hours and 15 times 1.5 times overtime hours.
All right.
And you return it.
Yeah.
And that's your cost.
Okay.
So do that for 40, 45, and 50. And
yeah.
Print out what the results are of calling your method for those three.
All right.
Now, I want you, since we have 4 steps, I want you to save your projects.
Yeah.
Salary 1, salary 2, salary 3, salary 4.
Yes.
So the first one is just going to be multiplying those together.
Oh.
The second one is going to be run it for 30 hours.
Yeah.
Let's see what you get.
Yeah.
The third one, I want you to calculate an 18% income tax.
Yeah.
So you're going to have to take away 18% from their salary.
Yeah.
The fourth one, this is where it gets a little complicated.
Yeah.
Something called tax bracket. If you make more money, you got to pay more taxes.
Yeah.
So if you make more than $713, you got to pay 20% tax.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then run it. Run steps 3 and 4 for 30, 40, 45, and 50.
Yeah.
There you go. That's all.
That's it.
It's simple.
Okay, so my suggestions on